Alright, what's up guys? This is a review on the Printful backpacks, the all over print. I must say it's good quality. Came out nice. The printing is really good. Shipping was pretty fast. It got made pretty fast. Yeah, I've been ordering a lot from Printful lately, and I just want to give you guys a view and a sample of what they do. And this is like, yeah, it's part of the all over print, so I just put in my logo on the bottom right there. Because one of my brands is Authentic Goods, so this is one of my new logos I have. But you can see, let's see, there you go. You can see how well it's printed on there. I don't think it's gonna fade or anything. And keep in mind, you can put prints like all over the backpack. On the top fold, on the inside you can print also. You put on the bottom, but I just want it all one color and just a simple logo. My wife has one too, but I'll post a video of it in a bit. But she has it with her right now. Hers just has a white print with the red heart. But as far as the insides, I have some of my stuff in there already, getting ready for work. Let's see. So it has another inside pocket where I put like my GoPro, stabilizer, and then here inside my snacks, my drinks. Bottom pocket, let's see, pretty big, decent size. These are my chargers, sunglasses, backside. The strap's pretty sturdy, quality is pretty good when I compare it to like the JanSport backpacks. Got a little pocket in the back right here where you put like your phone or something you wanna not have anybody reach to the front while you're not, while they're walking behind you. This is always safe, I guess, when you're wearing it. So zipper quality is pretty good. Straps are pretty good. So yeah, I was like really excited. And I'm really happy with how the quality came out. I will review other products also, so just stay tuned for that. But other than that, this is a little sample of the Printful backpack. And this is the one with the pocket. There's one that doesn't have a pocket, it's just straight flat like that. And then they have the other one, the Champion one, where it's like embroidered. Like you embroidered the little spot right here. But this is just this one for now, and I'm happy with it. And let me show you guys the other one. I'll enter the clip right now. So yeah, just, let me know if you guys have any questions. If you guys want me to review any other products, just let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped out.